In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know how to switch your site's overall look and fine-tune the colors and typography so your pages feel clean, consistent, and on brand. First, open your site in Google Sites. If you're not already editing, go to your site and make sure you're in the editor view, not just the public view. You should see the familiar workspace with your page in the center and a tools panel on the right. This is where all your design options live. Next, click Themes in the right panel. In that sidebar, you'll see 3 tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes. Choose Themes to reveal a gallery of ready-made designs. Each theme bundles a set of visual rules, things like font pairings, default colors, and element styling, so your entire site looks coordinated without you having to adjust every section manually. Now browse and select your desired theme. Hover over the options to get a sense of their personality, from clean and minimal to bold and colorful. When you click a theme, your site updates instantly in the editor, so you can see how titles, body text, buttons, and navigation look with that choice. This change is global, which means it applies across all pages, keeping everything consistent. Don't worry, your content, layout, and images stay exactly where they are. You're only changing the visual skin. If your chosen theme offers built-in variations like different styles or accents, try those to find the one that best complements your content. Finally, customize colors and fonts if needed. Within the Themes panel, you'll see controls to tweak the color palette and typography. Choose a primary color that works with your logo or imagery, and keep contrast in mind so text remains easy to read on both light and dark backgrounds. For fonts, pick a readable body typeface and a clear, distinctive heading style. Keep the number of fonts limited for a professional look. The defaults are carefully paired to balance personality with legibility. Small adjustments here go a long way: slightly increasing contrast, choosing a calmer palette, or selecting a more readable font can instantly improve the experience for your visitors. That's all there is to it. Open your site, head to Themes, pick the look you like, and fine-tune the colors and fonts to match your brand. With these simple changes, your Google site will feel polished, cohesive, and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting a design that supports your content beautifully.